Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Like always, thank you for watching me. And before we start our video, please make sure subscribe to my channel and ring bell notification. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Today I'm going to show you Trendmood Box Volume 10. A lot of product you can see. And first product I'm going to show you, I'm so excited, it's Danessa Myrix Liquid 3 Achrome Eyeshadow. Just one eyeshadow costs $26. I have two. One color it's Passion, another one color Young Love. First I'm going to show you Young Love, of course. Beautiful crystal packaging, really expensive. It's priced $26. And I'm going to show you swatch. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Color on camera really looks like silver white, little bit like green, I think, but I see very strong pink and violet. So beautiful. And next up, color Passion, exactly the same packaging, and this color, we'll see. I see a strong pink. Such a beautiful color, this Passion, and I can tell you, really, longevity incredible. And next up, from One Size Beauty, packaging looks like this. You open like this and squeeze tube. I like it, so comfortable. It's nice, thick consistency, and I have already tried this primer, and today on my face. This primer very nice, blur your pore, has little bit moisturizer effect, but not too much. If you have very dry skin, it's not for you. It's better for normal skin or for oily skin, but I like my skin normal. Price $30, just one primer. Very nice. I'm so happy again. Next up, from One Size Beauty 2, it's small travel size powder. I already have translucent color, and I'm so happy to have dark deep color. I'm going to show you right now. So cute, small packaging. I like it's like it's plastic, frosted plastic, very cute. And when you open, you can see small protector and powder. I won't see this. Oops. Everywhere right now, this powder and color. So funny melt and very thin texture. You can see this powder has red undertone, but for darker skin, it's, I think, amazing. Texture incredible. And translucent powder, beautiful too. Very fine melt, blur your pore. I love this powder too, and each powder costs $16, together $32. Next product from this gorgeous box, it's from Kat Von D Cream Eyeshadow. It's named Dazzle Stick, it's color Electro Bolt, and packaging looks like this, cute, very simple, and when you open, looks like this eyeshadow. Here 3.5 gram, and I'm going to show you swatch. Oh my god, it's so creamy. You see, I just touch. Very nice bronzy color, a lot of pigment, and very beautiful green sparkle. I love. And next up, from True Botanical brand, Chebula Active Immunity Serum. Glass bottle, like this consistency, and very slippery, feels very nice. Almost no smell, but very nice floral smell. What this product does, it's heal dryness, brighten your skin, smooth your fine lines, even skin tone, improve your elasticity. I don't know it's good or not, but price $90 price. And last three product from this box, it's OGX. This brand, I never heard about this brand. It's shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in Miracle Glow smoothing spray. We'll see. I never tried this, and I won't try this. Oh, smells so good. I love. Little bit on my hair. So good smell, and price like around $10. And I have shampoo. I want to try this smell. Smells so good. Here 385 milliliters or 13 ounces. Okay, I'm so happy with this box. Just $44 and a lot of product. And I can highly recommend for you Trendmood Box. Okay guys, thank you for watching me and please subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up if you like this video and see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.